How to convert Excel to XML format. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Chrome browser on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Also check for a stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. Now tap on the search bar and search for Excel Converter over here. As you do that, you can see there are different options over here. So you can select whichever option is more convenient for you. I'm going to go for the very first option that pops up. Now here you just need to select or choose the file over here. So just tap on choose files and then tap on media picker. Now as you do that, you can select the file over here. And as you do that, you can tap on convert now. Now the file is converting, so make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection over here. The process of converting is going on right now. So here you can see it has been converted. You can just download it now and it will be downloaded. And there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.